Hello my dear friends, little champs, welcome back. Okay friends, now we have completed the second part of a circle, that is radius, and now we are going to learn about the third one, that is chord. Now look at the diagram. What is O? O is the center of circle. Is that clear? Now what is this point? Answer my question. This is suppose OA. Okay. OA is the radius. OA is the radius of the circle. Correct? Done. So after this, we are going to learn the next one, that is chord. Very simple concept again it is. So what is chord of a circle? If I do the folding, small foldings of the circle, right? Like this. Suppose this is a circle and I started to fold it from bottom. Okay. Suppose this is a circle and I fold it. One fold makes the circle like this. Okay. If you fold it, then a line will be formed here. If you do another folding, okay. So what will happen? It will make a line here. Right. And this line joins 2 points on the circle. Correct? This line joins 2 points on the circle. So dear friends, the line which joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle is called as chord. Very simple concept. Chord म्हणजेच जीवा कशाला म्हणायचं आहे? The line that joins. Okay, look at the board here. So this point is A. Okay, and now this point is B. Suppose without joining point B with the center, if I join the point B with A like this. Okay. So what will happen? If I join these 2 points, the segment AB becomes, okay. One more thing, if I join this point with this one and connect them, a line is formed, right? This point is C, this point is D suppose. Even I can do one more arrangement like this. There is a point and here is again a point. If I join these 2 points, then a segment is formed. Correct? I will name it E and F. Okay, it is sufficient. So what is happening here? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है भाई? देखो, पहा, वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू जोडले की एक सरळ रेषा तयार व्हायला लागली आणि ह्या रेषेमुळे ते 2 बिंदू जोडले चाललेले आहेत. म्हणूनच वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू एकमेकांना जोडल्यानंतर तयार होणारा जो भाग आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? chord असं म्हणतो. Or it is means when two points of a circle, 2 points on a circle are connected to each other, then it is called as the chord. Or it is simply, what is the definition? A chord is the line that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle. On the curve of a circle. On the curve of a circle is called as chord. Okay, so this is the definition of the chord. What is the definition? The line that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle is called as chord. म्हणजे वर्तुळावरचे कोणतेही 2 बिंदू त्यांना जोडणाऱ्या रेषेला काय म्हणायचं? chord असं म्हणायचं. म्हणजे डायग्राम मध्ये CD हा काय झाला? chord. Okay. So in the diagram, CD is a chord of circle. Or in the figure, CD is the chord of circle. Okay. One more thing is that, can we draw the chord like this? आपल्याला chord असा काढता येईल का? समजा हा पॉइंट D आहे आणि हा पॉइंट इथे काहीतरी EFG आहे. If I join the points D through the center like this, if 3 points are on a straight line, in center and this all. Okay, I'll use the different color to join this part. Okay, I'll join again from D through center, it go to the point G. Right. Now here the question is that, is DOG, means it is not dog, DOG dog. Read from here, God, that is God. If you change your attitude, then words are also and their meanings are also changed. So let's learn the mathematics. So if I connect D with O and then O with G, a line that passes through the center of a circle and joins 2 points on the curve of circle, what is it now? Is it a chord? Yes, it is the biggest chord of the circle or largest chord of the circle, and largest chord of the circle is the diameter of that circle. That concept we are going to learn after this. Okay, so dear friend, DG or DOG is also the chord, but the special name is given, that is diameter. And why the special or separate name is given? Because it is the largest chord. Okay, so that means diameter. We will see just after the chord. So okay, these all can be considered as the chords. Okay friends, so here, how many chords a circle has? And the answer is yes, a circle has many chords, many or infinite chords. Okay, you can draw the chords in any direction, just they have to, means that line has to join 2 points on a circle. Chord तुम्ही कसाही काढू शकता, फक्त वर्तुळावरचे 2 बिंदू जोडले गेले पाहिजेत, तरच त्याला आपण कॉर्ड म्हणू शकू किंवा तरच त्याला आपण जीवा असं म्हणू शकू, अन्यथा नाही. ओके, आणि मधून गेलेली ही जी रेषा आहे ना, ती सुद्धा जीवा आहे, पण ती सर्वात मोठी जीवा आहे. तिला आपण स्वतंत्र नाव देऊन शिकणार आहोत आणि ते नाव आहे व्यास किंवा डायमीटर. ओके, सो in the diagram, line CD, then line DG, then the line AB, the line EF are the chords. आकृतीमध्ये एवढे सगळे chords आहेत असं आपल्याला नोट करता येऊ शकतं. After the chord, our next concept is the diameter, fourth one, and it is last part of the circle, that is diameter. Okay, so what is the diameter of a circle? It is simple, just now I have told you what is diameter. The line that passes through the center of a circle. एवढंच का मग? नाही. मग आता बघा, line that passes through the center of a circle म्हणल्यावर मी काय करतो? And that now here I have the circle and this is the center. Now the line that passes through the center, is this a diameter? No. Important is what? The line that passes through the center of a circle and meet to the points on the circle, that line is called as the diameter. Okay, so the line that passes from the center of a circle and joins 2 points on that circle, that is called as diameter. So dear friends, we can write the definition. The line that joins any 2 points, I will make it clean, that joins any 2 points, on the circle, that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle, you can write like this. On the curve of a circle, the definition up to this part is same. So what changes now? What changes is now the line that joins any two points on the curve of a circle and passes through, yes, and passes through its center, and passes through its center is called as diameter, of a circle, is called as of a circle. Okay, so my dear friends, this one is the definition of diameter. Okay, or जसं मी तुम्हाला आता सांगितलं होतं की कॉर्ड सांगत असताना मी DOG हे पॉइंट जोडले आणि एक मोठा, सगळ्यात मोठा कॉर्ड तयार झाला. म्हणून असं म्हणता येईल का, द लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड इज कॉल्ड एज डायमीटर. द लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड is called as diameter of circle. The largest chord is called as diameter of circle. Okay friends, so the next question is that how many diameters a circle has? Okay, and the answer is again a circle has how many diameters? We can draw many diameters or infinite diameters. This is also a diameter, then this is also a diameter. Compulsory is what? Or suppose the diagram is become tidy, I will means untidy. And now here suppose this is the center of a circle, this is the diameter, this one is also diameter, this one is also diameter. Condition is what? Points A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. Compulsory is what? The line should pass through the center. Line should pass through the center and reach to the 2 points on that center, right? So therefore, the line that joins any 2 points on the curve of a circle and very important is what? Passes through its center is called as diameter of that circle. The largest chord, diameter is the largest chord and therefore the largest chord is also called as diameter of circle. And note the last point. What is it? A circle has many or infinite diameters. Okay. The last thing that I am going to ask you, okay, the last thing that I am going to ask you, and that is what? So now what is this? This is point O. O is the center of the circle. Then next point, if we join this point O with any point on the circle, what it will become? It will become, suppose A, it is the radius, means O is the center. O is the center of circle. Okay. And OA is the radius. Okay. So here point this one. Okay. So B and C. BC is the chord. And last thing that we have learned now, what it is? That is the diameter. Okay. I will make it with another color. So this one is the diameter. Alright. I locate the points. DE. Okay. So it is the diameter. My question to you is that if OA is the radius, when two radii are joined together, then a diameter is formed. So therefore, the distance of diameter is double than the distance of radius. So what? Relation between radius and diameter. What is the relation? Yes, diameter is, किंवा असं म्हणतो आपण, length of diameter is double than the length of radius, right? Therefore, म्हणून, therefore, radius multiplied by 2 is equal to diameter, right? So this is the relation between radius and diameter. Other or second statement, can we do it like this? The length of radius, आता याच्या उलट काय म्हणता येईल? The length of radius is half. The length of the radius is half than the length of diameter. Okay, so this is the relation. Therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Half means divided by 2. हे जे डायमीटर आहे तिचे 2 भाग केले तर काय बनते? रेडियस बनते. आणि रेडियसचे डबल केलं तर काय बनतं? डायमीटर बनतं. डबल करायचं म्हणजे 2 ने गुणायचं आणि अर्ध करायचं म्हणजे 2 ने भागाकार करायचा. बरोबर आहे? म्हणजे जर आपण डायमीटरला 2 भाग केले, डायमीटरचे 2 भाग केले तर काय होतं? रेडियस. आणि रेडियसचं दुप्पट केलं म्हणजेच गुणिले 2 तर काय मिळतं? डायमीटर मिळतं. अशा पद्धतीचं रिलेशन याच्यामध्ये आहे हे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगता येऊ शकतं. ओके, सो माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स, वी हॅव लर्न इन डिटेल अबाउट दीज पार्ट्स ऑफ द सर्कल. या वर्तुळाच्या भागाबद्दल आपण बरीचशी माहिती या ठिकाणी पाहिलेली आहे. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन और ऍक्टिव्हिटी टू यू, दॅट इज द होमवर्क, राईट? फॉर द होमवर्क, observe the diagram carefully. Okay, observe the diagram carefully and answer the questions. Okay, take the question for your homework purpose. Okay, so homework, what is homework? Very simple it is. Observe the figure and complete the table. Observe the figure and complete the table. And complete the table. Complete the table. Okay. So names are given there. Okay. Parts of a circle. Parts of a circle here. Okay. And name in figure. Names in figure. Very simple it is. Very simple homework I am giving to you. Okay, so that you can confirm yourself about the study. Okay, very simple it is. Parts of a circle, 1 2 3 4. Okay, I will change the sequence. Suppose diameter is here, diameter, then chord, then center, and finally what remain is the radius. What you have to do? You have to write the names in the diagram. Okay, diameter, which is the diameter you have to note here, which is the chord you have to note here, which is the center you have to write its name, and which is the radius you have to write its name. So my dear friends, it is enough for your study. We have to stay here and further details in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Take care.